Hey y'all. Hey y'all. Welcome back. What's up? What's poppin'? If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. And if you're returning, what's up, girl? Do you miss me? I know you motherfucking tired of me in the motherfucking done it. But guess what? My wig came. Yeah, so my wig came and I'm going to unbox it with y'all. And I'm going to do my hair as well. And just show y'all. If y'all watch my video that I posted on May 1st, then y'all knew I was talking about like getting back to being myself and like just upkeeping my appearance and stuff like that. I've been so focused on like getting my finances and getting my mental together that I've been neglecting my physical appearance. I just want to get back into that, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, you're a new bitch when you get your hair did. So I got me a wig. I forgot the name of the company, but I'm gonna put it down here and show y'all what it came with. A little dust bag. Oh shit, coming with an edge brush. They got money. It came with some lashes. They got money. It ain't come with them little ass. Oh, this is the name of the company right here. Luciya. And they gave me a little edge brush. Y'all see that? It's Luciya, Luciya. And wig cap. And the star of this year, my wig. So it is a 6x6. It's a closure wig. 6x6, 26 inches. It's either 24 or 26 inches. 250%. Oh, yes. Y'all, this is the first, I don't know, she should. Y'all see that? Oh, okay, hold on. I might have been bushing. It's shitting a little bit, but not for real. It's like the ends, little hairs, but it's a 6x6. Now see the parting space. Close your wig. 26 inches. 250 density. This mug is thick. Yes, I'm definitely. I just posted a video. If y'all watch that video, go watch my videos. Click on my page and go watch my videos, because I'm gonna keep on referring to shit that I already said until y'all watch my video. But anyways, in my video that I posted when I was doing the dashiki wig, I was telling y'all like 180% density is like regular. Like that's regular. That should be the least or the smallest percentage density wig you should get. You should be able to get. 150 is too thin, and I like thicker wigs. Like, and I also got a closure because the frontal, obviously, the frontal part is not going to be as thick as the actual tracks. So it's more tracks in a closure, meaning that the wig is thicker overall. So yeah, this is her in her glory. I'm going to be doing a middle part. I'm going to be putting my inspo. I want to do a middle part. She have like full-fledged bangs. I want to do curtain bangs, so like I can kind of wear like in my hair, but it's not a real bang. So like if I want to wear it in the middle part, it's not like blunt and cut ugly. But yeah, this is her. I'm gonna need to go to Ulta to get the toner so I can tone it, because I'm not gonna keep it this Goldilocks color. And yeah, I need to tone it, and I would just have to like prep and wash my hair for a braid down. But yeah, this is a her. I'll see y'all when it's time for me to tone it. Hey y'all see I got my girl on the wig stand. I am about to tone her. The only thing that you need is the toners. Damn. Okay, here we go. There we go. And then I have my little bowl and brush to mix. I have some developer. They say use 20, but we don't have any 20 here, so developer and a little clamp. So I'm gonna do like thick sections and just make sure I saturate it. It says to leave it on for 30 to 45 minutes, but since I have 30 developer instead of 20, I'm gonna leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes. All right, and I'm at work, so I'm multitasking. All right, bet. Hey y'all, please don't mind that. Y'all see the floor. I'm so glad I put a towel down, because I mean all of that would have been on the carpet, even got on my pants and stuff. But I am finished. I'm going to rinse her out. I should have got 3 bottles instead of 2. If you got a thick wig, get 3 bottles. Don't get 2, because I had to stretch it. But I'm about to rinse it out, and we're gonna see what she is giving. Hey y'all, I'm crazy. I look like that lady for Scary Movie. But I just got done blow drying it, and this is the color. I'm so glad it is like a lot warmer than when it looks when it was wet, because it started to look like my mama color. Like my mama had like a specific blonde that she had for herself, and it's more like on a cool, it's like a cool ash blonde, and that's what it was looking like when it was wet. But this is the color. This is the color that I wanted. The hair is so soft. It took well. I left it on there. It took me a total about like 25 minutes to put all the toner on there. And as soon as I finished the top, I left it on there for about 5 minutes, and then I immediately rinsed it out. I used those Ion Moisture line. I used the shampoo, conditioner, and I used a deep conditioner. And I let that sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I just rinsed it out. I used the Ion Moisture leave-in conditioner and a heat protector leave-in conditioner as well. The spray by Design Essential, and I just blow dried it. It's still a little wet underneath, but it's like 90% blow dry. This is the color. You can see how flowy the hair is. It's not shedding. It's not shedding out. But yeah, I love the color. I did a good job for my first tone. It's not patchy or anything, and it got some dimensions like low lights and highlights and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm gonna come back when it's time for me to put it on. Hey y'all, I'm back. I literally did like freaking everything. I forgot that I was recording this, so I was just about to put my wig on. I washed, braided my hair down, did the wig cap. I even cut and straightened the wig a little bit. So yeah, the only thing I really have to do is I already put alcohol on. I'm using Erica J, so we're gonna use the skin guard first. And then we're gonna go in with the glue. We're going to do 3 layers. Maybe 4. Another 4 layers. Because it's a closure wig, so it should become up in the usual. Yeah, it tells you what you do. And yeah, I cut the stuff and just took this one under here, so this one's like that. But if it's broken, I'll put the glue on there and just cut it off. Okay, so she's dry. And go ahead with the glue. Okay. And then go ahead with the second glue. I'm gonna put her yeah, I cut the combs out and everything. You're so manipulative. I need you to know that you're so manipulative. You know it. First you're better than you're sweet. You think it's so discreet. I see what you did there. What you did to me. You played yourself to satisfy others. I bet you thought I didn't see it coming. Yeah, man, you know what I say. I let it go, let it go, let it go. Now can you? Hey, it looked dark. It seemed dark, unless it's just my phone. But here we are. So I really like, this side is how I wanted it. So I did mess up, but it's okay because I cut curtain bangs and I toned this wig, and it was my first time, so I did a good job. But this side, I did it a little bit wrong. It was easier for me to do this side because I was using my right hand on this side, but I had to cut this one a little bit shorter to match this. But I feel as though I fixed it. It was like looking like staircase like on this side, but now it's like seamless. And then I had to cut the hair a lot shorter because I did layers. So the hair probably, what I told you, I got 26 inches. The hair probably was like here, and I cut a lot off to do the layers. So this is the hair from the back. It's still soft. It's not shedding, nothing. So I really just need to put a headscarf on to get it flatter. When I wake up tomorrow, it's gonna look a lot better. Like, I want it to be flat, but I still want this to be like flowy and shit. So, but yeah, my curtain bangs. And I might curl it to see if it look better curl. If it look better curl, then I'm gonna just keep it. Hey y'all. So this is a complete look. I end up curling it, so I did cut this bang entirely too short. Not too short, but shorter than what I wanted. I really wanted to look like this side, so I had to improvise, and it looks a lot better. It looks a lot better curl versus straight. I can get away with it straight, but it kind of is awkward because the length I cut it kind of stops here in my chin, making it kind of awkward on me, but it's okay. This is it curled. It holds a real nice curl. It was super curly. I curled it earlier this morning around 10, so the curls finally dropped. It was super curly, so they hold a real nice curl, and I didn't even put any hairspray in. This is the lace, or the not lace, because it's invisible. The lace was really good to work with. It was your closure. I feel like if I go and order another 613 wig, I'm gonna make sure I order the 13x6 to see how that worked. But the lace was really good. It doesn't shed that much. It's not matting that much. It's not tangling. It's not dry either. Really like this wig. I'm gonna make sure I'll leave the link down below. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with anybody and everybody. Stay blessed, stay positive. Peace.